Hi everyone, welcome back with Srilankan Malay Pickle is also known as Malay Achcharu recipe. A Sri Lankan meal is not complete without a spoonful of this tastiest pickle. It's sweet, spicy and sourness in one pickle. Let's start with Malay pickle. It's an authentic Sri Lankan sweet, sour and spicy achcharu recipe. In a bowl, add 50 grams tamarind along with 3/4 cup lukewarm water. Keep aside for a while. In another bowl, adding 15 dates. I kept it in the fridge so it's quite hard. So I add some hot water. Soak for 2 to 3 minutes. If you are using fresh one, then do not add water. Remove the skin and seeds from the dates and keep aside. Squeeze the soaked tamarind to make tamarind pulp. In a large bowl, add dates, half a cup thick tamarind pulp, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Squeeze out the juice of 1 lime. You may add vinegar instead, and some salt. Mix it well combined using your hand. If you want to use instantly, then add vegetables and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours and serve. Now I am going to store it, so add the paste into a large clay pot and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. You may add jaggery instead, and 2 to 3 tablespoons vinegar. Stir well. Cook for about further 1 minute. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely before put it into a jar. Place the pickle paste in a clean airtight container. Store it in the fridge for 2 weeks. Take half a cup shallots and 1 broad chilli, 1 carrot and 4 to 5 green chillies. Cut the all vegetables and add it into a bowl. And then add 1 or 2 tablespoons pickle paste and mix it well. For extra taste, add 1 or 2 tablespoons lime pickle, mix it, keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours and then serve with rice. That's all for today. Hope you'd like it. If so, do like and share and subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Until then, bye. Thank you.